I tried Trezor Model T app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to test the Trezor Model T app, I wanted to know if it really lived up to its reputation as one of the safest crypto hardware wallets in the world. After using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is it absolutely does, but it's not for everyone. On day 1, setup was straightforward. The app connects to the physical Trezor Model T device via USB, and from there, you generate a recovery seed, a 12 or 24-word phrase that's your ultimate backup. The device's touchscreen adds an extra layer of protection since you input sensitive data directly on the hardware, not your computer. By day 2, I began testing transactions. Sending crypto through the Trezor Suite app was fast and secure. Every transaction had to be physically confirmed on the device, eliminating the risk of malware or phishing attacks. Midweek, I explored its features. The Trezor Model T supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and hundreds of other coins. It even integrates with wallets like MetaMask for Diffie access, but with your private key stored safely offline. By day 5, I tested backup recovery, and it worked flawlessly. Even without the device, the recovery seed could restore my wallet. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. The Trezor Model T isn't just a wallet, it's digital armor for your assets. It's designed for people serious about long-term crypto storage, not casual users trading small amounts daily. If you value ultimate control and security over convenience, the Trezor Model T is worth every penny. It's not flashy or fast, but it's the gold standard of crypto protection, and that's the kind of safety that never goes out of style.